Hi dear student, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Do practice regularly of your drawing and craft at your home. Do complete your all study time to time. So today we are going to draw some faces of human being in easy way. I am going to show you how to draw face of human being in easy way, male and female both. Okay, so let's start. But remember, when I upload this video on YouTube, you have to give comment over there. It's your attendance, and write your full name, standard and division, and you have to draw this on your book in only one page. On one page you have to draw 10 faces, and practice at on your rough book or rough paper. Okay, scan your drawing and put it on Google Drive, which is created by your class teacher. Scan your drawing in JPG format and put it on Google Drive and send it to me also. My mail ID is pisjc567art@gmail.com, and second is artcraft2@pratibhainterschool.org. Okay, let's start. Draw border properly. Write your topic name. Today our topic is face drawing. Write here date. So today we are going to learn how to draw face in easy way. We are going to draw some circles. First I am going to draw some circles like this. After all this, I am going to draw here some center line of this circle. Okay. After this, draw here ear after this line. Okay, on this line I am going to draw eyes. For lips I am going to here I am drawing some only sleeping line. Hairs. Ears. You can change hairstyle as per the gender, male, female. You can change expression as per your choice. Here I am going to draw farmer face. Like this. For this use light pencil for sketching. You can draw like this. Okay. I'm showing some students, you have to draw at least 10 faces like this. These are example. Like this. You can color this also, or only sketching. Practice this at your home and draw 10 faces on one page in your drawing book and practice on rough page. Okay. Bye student.